Hey Frank, here we are, the new and improved Hey Frank series. You're now going to see me in these screen recordings. Hopefully that'll improve things, make it more personable. And let's get to the charts. Okay, here we go. So the first one here is SPX. This is a monthly chart. And I wanted to show you, this goes all the way back to the dinosaur age. Okay, yeah. So what I've done is I've drawn a support line that connects this low to this, to this, to this support. Low, 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 low. And then to the upside, you have this high here connecting to here. So this is what it looks like. Okay, connections. And then this line here, this low is connecting to this here. See that there? Okay. I'm going to switch over to the daily chart. And you can see, I'm going to get a little bit more detailed here so it makes more sense. So this is the wedge. It's getting wedge, 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 squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. It could have squeezed to the downside or the upside. It looks like it's squeezed to the downside, right? Now, Friday, which was Friday, February 6th, we had to move to the upside. Today is February 8th. It is Sunday. And if I had to bet on this coin toss, I think we have a bearish bias going on right now. I think the market is going to see some more downside. However, it could, if it starts closing again above these levels here to the upside in a meaningful way, we could have more upside. But I don't think that's going to happen. Could, but I don't think so. And here's why. So here is a monthly chart of SPX, and you can see the RSI is 76, and we also have what looks to me like bearish divergence. You can make the case that this bearish divergence made the move here, like this big old candle, but it looks like it's a little bit overbought on the monthly. And we could see, you know, this hit, this hit, this hit on the monthly. Now, this is right now, this is happening. These are E-minis. This is S&P futures, and it looks like we've opened and we've kind of done this little bit of a rally here. So the MACD is curling upwards. So, you know, it could get a little bit more bullish here. Maybe hit this pivot, which would be 70, 67. Maybe hit that, bounced out again. Let's just watch and see. Now, moving on to Bitcoin. I have a head and shoulders pattern here, drawn the plumb line. Looks like Bitcoin is now trading a bit sideways the last few days. I still maintain that this 618 level is looking good because we have the 618 and the yellow line, which would be confluence. So that would be a good buy level, possibly a little bit there, and then possibly the 786 at 39,173. Okay. Now, one more chart to show you, and this is kind of like more of a bear chart, like a bear meaning not bear or bull, just like bear in terms of indicators, not too many right now. So it looks like Bitcoin wants to rally a little bit. If it does, where could we see a retracement? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a Fibonacci retracement tool, and I'm going to start at the start of the move. So from here, fibs are always drawn left to right. And let's see if we get any confluence. And sure enough, you can see the 618 level here is just about $500 beneath this pivot point here, right? See the P there, pivot. So what I'm thinking is that if Bitcoin keeps going up and up and up, you could hit the 618 pivot level here and then get a little retracement to the downside. So limit order to sell there might be a decent idea. And that's all I got for today. Hope you have a great rest of your weekend and stay tuned for more episodes. Take care.